I'm Josh Smith with Delphian Trading. I'm a trading strategist there. In this video, we're going to be covering how to manually input entry and exit dates so you can do a back test on them. So we do this in the wizard called manual. To get there, you can open up the left-hand menu, go to back test, and then click wizards, or you can do the quick link wizards. So you see the manual down here. So you can design a strategy by manually inputting stocks and entry exit dates. So if we click go, there's 3 steps involved: putting in the symbols and the trade dates, and then putting in how we want to do the trades. So we have to give it a name. Now we can just put in different symbols, and you can go back all the way to 2007. You just have to put an entry date, and an exit date for each one. And I'm just putting in random dates so we can show the back test. So I'll put in one more here, IWM. And these are just the major ETFs. So if you want, you can add more trades over here, so you can keep going. You can do as many symbols as you want, as many trades as you want. So I'll just do 3 for this. So if we hit next, now we have to do trade rules. So for this, we'll just do a long stock trade. Let's do 15 and 15. And we click next. And then we can put in, you can do contracts. Since we're doing stock, we'll just say we're risking 20,000 per trade. And then we hit backtest. So now the computer's running it. The yellow just means it's still running. We'll get an alert as soon as it's complete. So there's the alert. We can click it. And we can see we had 2 wins, 1 loss. So if we, with a profit of 3,000. So we can look at the specific trades by clicking Run 1. So you can see we got stopped out on IWM, and then you hit your targets on the other 2. If you want to look at a specific trade, we can click the view for that trade. So we did trade 2. Gives you the entry and the exit. So got almost, it'll do whatever your profit, the amount you risked, 20,000, so as close to that as possible. And you can see, there's the entry date. So it went up, popped down, and then got closed out over here. And as your daily profit loss down on the bottom. If you want to run another test, you want to alter the parameters, you just click this 3 sandwich bar here. And you can go in and you can change the strategy. You want to do a long call, you want to do any one of these different ones, 28 here. And then you just update the parameters and hit back test. So that's how you do a manual entry back test. If you have any questions, contact us at sales@delphiantrading.com or the number listed.